Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix your Lenovo laptop screen flickering problem. Now this is what I had to do. What I need you to do as well is just come at the bottom left, right click on this start icon, and then I want you to select device manager, okay? And now once this loads up, what we'll basically do right here on the left hand panel, you should see a bunch of different options, including display adapters. So right here next to display adapters, you'll see this arrow. I want you to click on it. And then here is your graphics drivers. So go ahead and use your graphics driver. Right click on it. And then I want you to click on uninstall device. And after you've uninstalled this device, I want you to restart your computer. And Windows will basically reinstall the default drivers, and then your screen flickering issue should be fixed. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.